About 80% of Norway's population now live in cities. These urban areas are crucial to economic development and prosperity and account for a substantial proportion of the nation's total consumption of land, energy, and other resources. Growth and transformation of the cities represent both threats and opportunities. My first message today is smart cities implement smartly. I repeat, they plan smartly, I mean. The development of sustainable and competitive cities demands a long-term perspective in which land use and spatial planning remains an important tool. The cities of tomorrow should be dense, functional, diverse, and to a large extent based on environmentally friendly transport, energy, and waste solutions. The possible consequences of climate change should also be taken into consideration, and we should strive for cities that are good places to live in. Comprehensive local planning and implementation are important means to achieve environmentally friendly places. The complex relationships between housing, services, employment, outdoor areas, transport, and parking can be solved by integrated planning. Many stakeholders and institutions have different goals, and they may be conflicting. So my next message is smart cities implement smartly, creating new arenas for cooperating and acting. The use of new technologies can enhance the possibilities for smart planning and smart implementation. The Norwegian Ministry of the Environment has been involved in various city development programs. The program Cities of the Future runs from 2008 to 2014. It's a collaboration program between 13 cities, the local authorities, interest organization, 4 ministries, and private sector. The overall goal of the program is to combat climate change and develop strategies for better climate adaptation. Improvement of the physical urban environment is then a subsidiary goal. The program is founded on the recognition that in order to reach national emission reduction goals, action should be taken in multiple areas, and several parties will have to take part, including the private sector, and as such, public-private partnership. Within the Cities of the Future program, hundreds of projects and activities are taking place. The program is divided into 5 focus areas, having in mind that there must be comprehensive solutions. Land use and transport, energy in buildings, consumption and waste, adaptation to climate change, and good physical urban environments. And the Cities of the Future is cooperating with other partners to develop pilots that could be showcases for carbon-neutral urban areas and high-quality architecture. To become a pilot project, the development of the area has to fulfill several criteria. Passive house standard or similar is required, and standards for adaptation to climate change, materials and transport ought to be met. The short-term objective is to complete projects with a 50% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions from transport, energy use and materials compared to current standards. And 4 area projects are certified as pilot projects within the Cities of the Future program. Strømsø in Drammen, Brøset in Trondheim, Furuset in Oslo, and Harbour Park in Sandnes. The private sector is an important partner in the Cities of the Future program. In a web-based folder developed together with the collaborating private sector partners, we have a threefold message to private enterprises. The need for new climate-friendly products and services open up for new business opportunities. And developing such products and services means social responsibility and branding. And choosing climate-friendly solutions can be profitable. The Ministry of the Environment is also supporting some projects involving cities and private sector. Two cities, Drammen and Trondheim, have joined a project to develop better collaboration between the local planning authorities and city center organizations. The main objective is to provide knowledge and analysis for better common understanding of the dynamics of the central business districts, and thereby become more economically and environmentally sustainable. The projects look into, in particular, accessibility, parking policies, and the location of different services. And the results, they will be implemented as action points in the city's strategic plans for land use and transportation. Smart City Bærum is an example of successful public-private partnership. Smart City Bærum aims at reducing the consumption of energy and greenhouse gas emissions. The municipality Bærum seeks to develop smart solutions that provide environmental benefits. The means are smart information and communication technologies, as well as smart procedures and organization. In Smart City Bærum, it is an overall goal to promote public-private partnership. Building knowledge and contributing to a positive reputation for the partners is key, as well as to establish strong links between environmental problems and economic development in the municipality. Part of the work is to develop pilot projects based on increased innovation across companies, industries, and sectors. And one quick result example of Smart City Bærum is the Waste Treatment Citizens app. It benefits all involved, and for citizens it means quick information by using smartphones. It works. I have tried it myself. Finally, the Ministry of the Environment is also involved in European collaboration on urban research. Together with the Research Council of Norway, we are a member of the board of the joint programming initiative Urban Europe. The first pilot call took place in 2012, with funding agencies from 6 countries: Austria, Denmark, Finland, Netherlands, Sweden, and Turkey, and a total budget of more than 9 million euros. And the research projects cover 3 different topics. 1, urban diversity and social cohesion. 2, urban systems. And 3, networks and governance of complex urban systems. As well, Norway is prepared to participate with funding in the next pilot call in 2013. I started my presentation by stating that smart cities plan and implement smartly, and that the use of new technologies can enhance the possibilities for smart planning and smart implementation. Norway foresees a fast-growing population in its biggest urban regions and a significant pressure on housing. This challenge must be addressed and integrated in our efforts to develop sustainable cities, both in our policies and in the research. Thank you.